I was, dude.
Man, you really gonna sit here and record? I told you you're about to die, bro.
Oh, dude.
Doing a quick little run to our body shop. If you saw my last vlog, you guys saw this Escalade that I talked about the chrome delete and how it was chipping. Well, we got it all repainted. We sanded it down, we did it correctly, and look how it looks now.
So much better. All those white specks are gone now. So hopefully this will last a lot longer than the previous one. It's a big grill, so I'm sure it takes a lot of the brunt from daily driving, but this should last a lot longer. No more white specks anywhere. So clean. We're picking up some Tesla badges that we got painted for our customers. I have them right here. These were once chrome, but now they're black, so these are ready to be put back onto the car. So if you have any badges that you want us to paint black or any other color for that matter, let us know. We can do that for you as well.
Just going on a test drive. Just got the alignment done.
This car is so loud. Oh, we haven't done a...
Wow.
Why is it so smooth?
It's good transmission.
No, like, the suspension is so smooth. Is that factory?
Yeah, on this, I guess on this car.
Oh my god! It floats like a Mercedes. This
like
is
a Cadillac.
It's more comfortable than my GTR.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Whoa, this is insane.
Maybe this should be your next car.
Nah, it's manual. This truck is huge. Dustin, F-250 Tremor. Have you
Tremor. It's a giant worm that eats people in the desert.
What the f are you talking about?
Kevin Bacon, Reba McIntyre.
Is it? Oh, are you talking about that video game? That little worm, Earthworm Jim?
No. Tremors, bro. Kevin Bacon.
We're doing a tint on this.
What are we tinting? Sides, back, front windshield, sunroof, everything, back window? With every window tinted, the interior should be a lot more comfortable now with summer heating up. Photos saying 30 on the sides and the back, while the front has 70 for visibility. Daily driving or road trips, this thing should stay cool no matter how long you're in the truck. What are you screaming about?
Hey, you know you're all about aggressive and EVS, so look at this. There's a kit called Black Label EVS. It's like literally our logo. Look at that kit. It's aggressive fender vents.
That's a nice kid.
That's you, Haywood?
That's like your GTR and your Model 3 all in one.
Sick.
Dude,
Look at those.
that's really nice.
Yes, it is. If I wasn't getting it applied, I'd want that kit right now.
Yo, if you guys want this kit, hit us up. We want to do this. We want to be the first ones in Houston to do this kit. It's so cool.
Yes.
4 out 400.
Oh.
This is insane. One Tesla leaves, another one comes to replace it with another vinyl wrap.
Yo, what color are we doing for the vinyl wrap? We're doing orange? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so freaking cool. It's kind of like a, what? What'd you say? Is that what the name is, or are you just making it up? That's what I thought. Okay, so I just found out this is called Gloss Fiery Orange. It's from 3M, so if you guys want the same color, now you know what it's called. And not only that, but we're also going to be chrome deleting this too, so all of this is going to be satin black.
I mentioned in the previous vlog that we've been doing a lot of grays and silver, so doing something bright and colorful is a change.
Oh, well, are you excited for this?
I'm ecstatic, bro.
We recently did a blue Model S, and that was really cool. So doing orange one's gonna be really fun. We're getting the car ready to be wrapped, so we're prepping the surface, we're cleaning the edges, we're removing any badges or any trim pieces that need to be removed before we get started, and that way we can always have a clean end result.
So this Model S had a Clearbra on the front end, and normally we can wrap over that, it's not a big deal. However, this one has some damage on the Clearbra, and if we were to wrap over that, you're gonna see some of that Clearbra damage kind of peek through. So it's not gonna look really clean. So we're actually removing the Clearbra before we wrap it. The first piece is laid, dude. This is gonna be crazy. Like, this is just the first piece already, but I can tell this is gonna be a radical color change.
It's gone!
Go this one. Go this one. Right
Which
here.
one?
This one here.
The one I.
Oh, okay, okay.
Go this one.
It went away.
So it's gone.
Oh, okay.
That was a win.
Very cool.
So the orange wrap is pretty much done now. We're at the part where we're doing the chrome delete. I'm blown away with how good this orange looks. I honestly didn't expect to like this color as much as I do. It has a lot of depth depending on how the light hits it. It can look like a blood orange, sometimes it's glowy fiery red orange, sometimes you get this yellowy hue coming through, or just pure liquid orange. Multiple colors all in one wrap. As mentioned before, all the chrome trims are wrapped in satin black so they don't detract from the orange, and those came out really nice. This looks like it could be a special edition Model S released by Tesla with like a limited run, just because it's unique enough of a color combo to stand out, but not too crazy to think that Tesla wouldn't do something like this for a special occasion. We also did a ceramic coating on all the vinyl, so that really adds to that crazy deep shine you see, so keep that in mind if you want your wrap to look this glossy and hydrophobic. Overall, great project, love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this car in the comments below. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time. Oh, and by the way, I forgot. We're going to be picking up a new car. Stay tuned for that.